Whether you're reacting to new consumer demands, creating innovative products, or looking for ways to drive down costs and increase production, Haskell is uniquely qualified to help you navigate the capital expenditure decisions for your facilities. As you aim to deliver your products to customers as quickly as possible with the highest levels of quality and safety, turning to a partner like Haskell puts you on the road to success.
Preston Haskell had the vision that the best way to deliver a project was to integrate all of the components, so architecture, engineering, and construction. By integrating those components, we could deliver a better project for the customer. Today, we still believe in that philosophy, and in fact, we've extended it into our engineer, procure, and construct delivery method, which takes design build a step further and includes the design, procurement, and installation of the complex manufacturing systems that go inside the buildings that we traditionally built.
The EPC delivery model addresses the think, buy, build activities involved in major CapEx projects. Haskell has the expertise to apply the model to your organization's most pressing business issues.
So the reason you want to work with organizations like our own that are comfortable with starting from the business case is then we can help lead you through the creative process. So you can select the right system or element or product you need, so that's the buying, and then you go and execute.
The key to delivering a successful EPC project is to establish a partnership early in the CapEx roadmap.
The best thing that we do for a customer is to plan the project, and that sounds very simple, but that starts early on, sitting down with a customer and first of all understanding their business. We don't try to have them understand our services like many of our competitors might first. We first want to understand their business, understand what their challenges and needs are.
When a customer is approaching a major investment, a lot of times they kind of go right to the money. You know, how much is this going to cost us? And of course, that is very important. Before you get to that point, there are a lot of things that you have to get right as well in order to set yourself up for success.
By following Haskell's CapEx roadmap, the project plan and execution will align with the customer's business strategy and objective. Jointly, the success metrics of the project, including scheduling, budget, and performance guarantees, are established.
No major investment or a capital project can be successful if stakeholders are not effectively managed. So you typically, when you're making a major investment, you are bringing together a large cross-functional team.
With EPC, there is a clear list of deliverables that guide a customer through the thinking, buying, and building phases, while continuously measuring and reporting against benchmarks for success. And throughout the entire process, Haskell maintains accountability and owns the performance of the operations while paying great attention to mitigating risk.
We have the collaborative cross-functional team looking at the product from the very beginning, the total system. You can see the interdependencies, you can see where the gaps may be, and you can mitigate that from the very beginning. Usually, the earlier you can mitigate a risk, the lower it's going to cost, or may be able to eliminate cost altogether.
EPC is not a proprietary delivery method. But what I do feel is proprietary is our ability to integrate all the resources needed for EPC delivery, meaning the architecture, the engineering, the construction resources, all of those in-house, and those resources are people. We have a lot of great people, and we have more resources under one roof than any of our competitors to provide better EPC delivery. It does take having all those resources under one roof. The more you control the resources, the more you control the project.
Succeed by having multiple well-executed projects that at the end, the customer experience from their perspective, they give you an A on the report card. That's your goal. You know, the machine's running well, the investment objective is right on target.
I consider us a leader in the marketplace. We are the one company that has the most extensive list of engineering resources and construction resources to deliver EPC projects in the industry.
Join us as we continue to navigate the CapEx roadmap. Once you've started your journey, Haskell will be your partner throughout each stage of the EPC process: thinking, buying, and building. Get the most out of your capital investment by asking Haskell how.